everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's Blakenolani. So today I'm going to show you an install of one of my favorite wigs. This is the Freetress Equal wig and her name is January, and she also has an invisible L part. So I'm going to show you everything from the braid down to how to put this on. So if you like this video, give it a big thumbs up, share it with a friend, and also subscribe. You can follow me on all social media at Blakenolani. Also, for my daily blog, be sure to check out blakenolani.com. Let's get started. Alright, so we are starting with freshly washed hair, and I just went ahead and parted my hair right down the middle into two halves. So now I am parting a small section down the side, and this small part is going to be my leave out. With this wig, you really don't have to have this much leave out, but this is just my preference. So now I'm just going to put a rubber band around my leave out to section it off. Next, I am going to make another part right down the side. And this section is starting my braid down. And now I'm just going to add a bobby pin because this one little piece, I don't want it to get caught up in my braid. So I'm just making sure that it is secured down. So next I'm just going to braid this section down the side. And next I'm just going to flat twist my leave out just to section it off a little bit better. And here is one complete side of my braid down. Next is time to do the other side. So I'm just going to mirror the side that I have already done. So right here I am just parting straight across, and this is also going to be my leave out. And I'm going to go ahead and flat twist this leave out down so it won't get in the way of any other braiding that I'm doing. So next I'm going to go ahead and mirror the opposite side, and I'm going to braid this part down as well. Okay, and here is my full braid down. Y'all know I cannot braid, so this is just my best attempt. They don't have to be super neat, it's up to you. As you can see, my scalp is super dry, so what I'm gonna do is go ahead and use my black Jamaican castor oil by OK, and I'll link this product down below. And this castor oil is really thick, so you don't want to use a lot of it. I'm just going to use enough to cover my fingertips and then rub the oil on my scalp. I'm going to make sure that it is moisturized, but I'm not going to put too much on to where the oil will seep through my wig cap. Next, I'm going to put my wig cap on and make sure that my leave out is from underneath the wig cap. And I'm just going to tuck my leave out behind my ears. Next, it is time for the wig. This is, like I said, one of my favorite wigs. This is my go-to. I've actually already worn this wig maybe twice. So it's holding up pretty good. And in my next video, I'll do a full review. I will give you all of the specs of this wig. But as you see, there is no lace that comes on this wig as far as the lace front. So it is a full wig with the lace parting down the middle, and it has 2 combs in the front, and there is also 1 comb in the back. And there are also adjustable straps on the left and the right of this wig. And this is the parting that you get, and that is the L part. So next I'm going to take my wig by the 2 combs and secure it underneath the wig cap. And this wig is really easy. As you can see, it's like almost done as far as styling. So next, I'm just going to take some of my leave outs and bring it towards the middle of the wig just so it can blend a little bit more naturally. Next, I'm going to take my leave out and just flat iron it down. I did use the Chi heat protectant. That is a really good heat protectant if you're looking for one. Also, the BioSilk is great as well. So I'm just doing the other side now. And I'm going to kind of curl it to match the curl pattern of the wig. So I'm curling it down and back. And now I'm just going to brush my hair as well as the wig to make everything just kind of blend together. And that's it. Thank you all so much for watching. As I said before, this is a really easy wig to style. It's also a good first wig if you're giving it a try, or if you're looking for an easy, quick style, she's definitely a go-to. So I will do a full review on this wig. So if you have any questions, let me know in the comments below. So don't forget to like, comment, tell a friend, and also subscribe. I'll catch you all in my next video. Take care.